All right, let's begin our discussion. Uh, Let me just put on my video so you can maybe see who am I. Um, in fact, these days it is not important to see who the person is. It is very important to what he is giving, because we all are basically seeing the complete change in the overall trend, overall way of working. The lockdown is coming to the end now, but still it is not the complete end. So I think that is the reason everyone is now more worried of what next. बहुत सारा दिमाग में ख्याल आ रहा है क्या करेंगे हम लोग. Number of people in job industry, in the employees, they already started getting number of mails, and their salary already been cut down. In number of people also lost job even before starting this before the completion of this lockdown period. तो काफ़ी सारा there is lot of worry, lot of tension, lot of pressure. I think maybe because of the lockdown we were little happy also. चलो चल रहा है अभी शांति से है. I don't have any vendors, I don't have anyone asking me the payments, so things are going so smooth. But at the back of the mind, a lot of pressure on the head, because आगे क्या, what next? Because once things starts, it becomes really very difficult. But friends, I think this is a time which really taught us a lot of things. In my earlier sessions also I mentioned a lot of things wherein you should be upgrading yourself. खुद को upgrade करना is very important. I think this is a time what we got in our own life to upgrade ourselves. I think Deepak has mentioned everyone is able to hear or not. I hope in case anyone is not able to hear, kindly raise in the chat box, and then we'll try to resolve it. Okay. So I think we all are now getting into a very different phase. Pressure is building a lot because a lot of businesses are in the verge of getting closed completely. Thoda what I feel is see, there are a lot of new announcement yet to be published by government for small scale enterprises. Small scale enterprises are going to have a lot of problem, but still we should not be worried and we should not get scared. Understand one thing, agar in case you feel like you are really competitive and really strong enough. Now look, when all this online thing started, everyone was worried सारे दुकान बंद हो जाएंगे, people will not get regular work, काफ़ी सारे shops को issue हो जाएगा, all these grocery shops will be completely winded up. But nothing happened that way. वो भी segment चला, ये भी segment चला. When online things started, we started feeling like there is going to be a major problem, only few people will have business. No, entire things were working. In the initial stage, there's always a problem. There's always a problem. But whoever is a competitor, whoever is a fighter, he definitely sails through and goes ahead. What I feel is this is the right opportunity time for all of us. Whoever has upgraded themselves, done really good for their own upgradation, will survive and go long way. जिन लोगों ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से अपने को ढांच लिया है, they will really go well. Because I'll tell you what is going to happen now. We know that at times there used to be hardly one of the pan tapri somewhere. At times there used to be hardly one of the particular kind of a shop at one of the area. But now you just start walking from one lane, you will find n number of pan tapris, n number of those similar kind of shops. Forget about that. Even if you go, the banks are, you go to some of the areas, not some of the, most of the areas in most of the cities, you will find n number of banks in one single lane. अभी इतनी सारी banks को कितना हम लोग, I mean, what is going to be the business generation for those banks? How many people, the people residing in that area are not going to increase, they are going to be limited, but still there are a number of banks. Look at the number of products what they are giving, but still everyone is managing the business. So the thing is that now we've seen such a cutthroat, huge competition. Whatever business you people are in, whatever business I am in, anyone in any kind of a business, even I'm talking about the big organizations like banks, Even there also there used to be very limited banks what you and me we used to know and deal with. But now there are n number of banks also in the market. So there is huge competition in each and every segment. I think this is the right time given for all of us, or especially the fighters, wherein those who are not really competitive, not really worthy, not really going to make themselves as per the current situation, are going to get wiped out completely. So think it positively, take it positively also. There is no always need of getting worried about अरे अभी ये ऐसा हो गया अभी क्या करेंगे. Think about the solutions, think about what next, think about the alternatives, think about the parallel line of business. Think very clearly that those who are not competitive are going to get wiped out. If you know there are the kind of a business you are in, suppose let's take an example, there are 10 people in the same kind of a business line, you know. If out of those 10, if you know 5 get wiped out, good for you. You don't need to think and worry about it. अरे यार ये धंधे में तो अभी पूरा ये होने वाला है, होने दो ना. Not for you. If you are going to be part of that 5, you need to decide, am I going to be a part of that 5 who is going to get wiped out, or am I going to be a part of that 5 which are going to be the best leaders going forward? So decide what you want to do. Develop the parallel line of business. If you develop a parallel line of business, the parallel line of business should not be something, because you know you see everyone now. What we all have seen is Reliance taken the excellent opportunity of this current situation and signed up with Mark Zuckerberg. So now Jio and Facebook are going to make so much of online easiness in India. But to make that online easiness available in the country, Reliance, Mukesh Ambani has earned so much of the money. You know, multifold crores what they got out of the deal. So this is what you have to think. You know, this is what thinking out of the box. Think what you have. जो मेरे पास है उसकी पहले समझो. You seen in my introductory video, I told that if you are traveling, if you are riding in a terrain like Leh Ladakh, because see, it is nothing like the reason I said the terrain is difficult, because our everyday work, our everyday terrain, wherever we are traveling, whatever we are doing, it's extremely full of challenges and dangerous. So when we reach at more dangerous kind of a road or a situation, as I said, world's most toughest road. So if you want to surpass that, so similar phase we all are in. If at all we surpass this particular phase in our own life, then we'll be able to really experience the heaven on the earth. Same thing. Once we surpass this particular situation, we will really have really great time for all of us. But challenges we have to fight. Jack Ma, you know Jack Ma, right? I mean, the founder and CEO of Alibaba, which is world's biggest online shopping portal. He mentioned 2020 is going to be those who are in business. 2020 is going to be really, don't think about your aspirations, don't think about your goals, don't think about your big things. It is very important to survive for 2020. So what you do is survive. But while surviving, don't work like a, जैसे हम लोग झापड़ लगा के we just keep moving ahead. Don't do that. Keep your eyes, ears open. Understand what all opportunities you have. Understand whatever I have, what best I can make. उसमें I need to reach to my customer at their doorstep easily. I cannot make it in a way wherein then at times customer used to come to me and then ask, and then I used to give the solution. Then okay, we'll see कैसा करना है. Don't do that. Please reach out to your customer. See to it that you have strong online systems in place. See to it that in one of my session I mentioned. Now, for example, you are in the real estate sector. In real estate sector, you should be having some kind of a app wherein once you have somebody bought the flat, he should be able to see the progress of the work day night every time. How in our industry Somebody can see his or her portfolio, what is the current value, mutual fund he invested or stocks he invested, what is the current value. So similarly, that person should be able to see what is the progress of my flat work going on, what is the progress of that construction happening, which slab we have reached. So that becomes then that attracts your customer more. See, whatever you do, somebody else is going to copy you. That is all a part and parcel of life. But then ultimately, if you are the first one, and then if you have the second again option of new ideas, of course you will be the leader always. Always it happens that, and I'll tell you, I mean, people are really great followers. If at all, somebody is now, we see all those baniya shops everywhere. One person opens the shop in one of the new upcoming area, immediately there are 4-5 shops immediately starts coming in. Why so? Because they know the competition, they know what kind of opportunities I'm going to get. Similarly, the one who been there first, always look at it. Most of the people in that particular segment I'm talking about, most of the people are getting higher business as compared to the others. Why? Because it is not because he came first. It is because though he came first, from that first day itself, he maintained such a kind of fantastic relationship and the level of service with his clients, wherein no one in a new, whoever came new, been able to compete with him or grab his business opportunity. So that should be, I think, your approach. Change your approach. Look at the cost. Your cost is extremely very important. Now you may feel like, ye business chhod ke, I think let me join a job, let me do something, let me completely stop this. Don't, I think that way. This is not a time to think that way. Think about what next I can do. You already undergone, you are a businessman, you already undergone a lot of challenges in your life. You already seen ups and downs in the business. So don't think that this is going to completely wipe out your way forward. I said in my introductory message that way forward is very challenging, road is very bad. Right side, if I look at without barricades, 12,000 feet of valley, if I fall down, nothing is left. But then to do that, to surpass that, either I die or I have to move ahead. I can't go back, right? So I have to move ahead, meaning I have to check what all I have. So check what you have. Do it the best. Continue going. Low cost operation, most important. Keep a liquidity with you. Always I'm telling you, even I told in earlier session also, take that benefits of EMI deferment. Keep that money, though you are paying little higher interest over a period of that 20 years, 10 years, tenor, still that is okay. But keep liquidity with you. That liquidity is going to be really important. Don't invest your money in those instruments which are extremely risky. You're already in the business, so don't invest much into equity market at this point of time. Invest in the secured investment options. If you want to invest in equity, please invest in staggered manner. You may get better returns going forward. Possibility is also high because India is going to really shine so well. But there is a time. So you have to have that kind of what I say is patience, sustainability. Whoever can sustain currently is going to be leader. Trust me. Whoever can sustain, whatever, whichever industry you are in, a job you are in, or whatever you are doing in your life, whoever is having the power of sustainability and the ability to develop himself or herself is going to make wonders in this world. I'll tell you now, friends, India growth was is now predicted only 2% as against the plan of 5%. Now look at what kind of a negative growth we are going to have. Tough. It is tough. I'm not saying it is not tough. I'm not here only to talk to you and to improve or increase your moral or so. At the same time, I need to basically guide you, tell you that there is a challenge, there are issues, there are problems. Of course, you all also know very well. I don't need to tell you that. But I'm telling you again and again that change your way of working, change the strategies. Please invest some amount in developing the apps, etc. I'll tell you what kind of let us understand whatever app or online system. Forget about that. Let me ask, how many of you have your mobile contact list properly up to date? I'm not saying you have more than 5,000 contacts in your contact list. Forget about it. Do you know what is the segregation of that contact list you have made? Have you ever invested your time properly doing that? If not, please do it. Please take a proper data. Whatever, wherever you are residing in a society. Do you know who is doing what? Do you know, are there there must be number of people who can be your clients, who can be your immediate customers. But have you ever tried talking to them? No. And there are lots of people, there are a lot of customers sitting across. There is a lot of people who are nearby me. But am I able to understand that? Because my style, my way of working was different. So that is what I am again and again trying to tell you. Please change the style and the way of working. I'll just give you a simple example. Where I reside, there is a gas service provider. So this gas service provider is after me constantly because I am looking after some activities in the society. So this guy is constantly after me, asking me, sir, please ask the society members to pay the money. Now these people are unable to come and then take the reading of the meter, etc., and then send the bills. So where this guy is stuck, why they need to call somebody from the committee or the society and request them and tell people that kindly take a photo of the meter and then send and do all these things. Why can't they reach to their customers directly? The problem is, you may say, why not? What is the harm in talking to society? Of course, no harm, but then what is the connect they have with their own customers? They don't have their data properly. What does this person told me? He said, sir, हमारे पास पूरे सबके flat number or contact list, email IDs are not there. So do you have? That's what I'm saying. That is my point. Is, do you have your contact list properly updated with you? Is it there with you? It is not, right? So your contact list, it is not only name and number. It should be properly. You have to have your customer details properly, absolutely with you. Then you will be able to reach them. Constantly touch base with them. Connect with them. Keep sending messages. Use WhatsApp properly. WhatsApp is not the only medium. At the same time, while using WhatsApp, when you send the message, see to it that you contact, you call them, you talk to them. We all know that people buy people and not the product, right? People buy people and not the product. So हम लोग कैसे हैं, हमारा अप्रोच कैसा है, हमारा वे ऑफ वर्किंग क्या है, हम कैसे हैं, इससे ही हमारा बिजनेस या हमको लोग बाय करेंगे. अगर हमको बाय करेंगे तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट वो डेफिनेटली बाय करेंगे. So because that's what I said, competition is huge. There are n number of people selling similar kind of things everywhere. But if people want to buy, they buy it from you. Why? Because you are different. They buy you first. Check the feasibility of your business model. I'm telling you all these things, but then importantly, if you're at all, your business model itself is so different, it is going to be really scarcesome. Understand your liabilities, what all things you have. Understand your you have to pay your kids' fees, your EMIs, your society maintenance charges, your club charges, and number of things. So whether that your insurance premiums, so whether that is going to get adjusted, that is going to get maintained by whatever earnings you will be able to make. Check that properly. If at all you feel like, no, my business is really going to be now, for example, in real estate. If somebody is in a business like real estate, it is really going to take a lot of time to come back. You are in a restaurant kind of a business, it will take time. It will definitely take time. So maybe you can change the line of business. Think about it. If not, maybe if you're in a restaurant business, think about it that people really want to eat from outside, but they want to eat at their home. So ensure that you deliver your products at their home. Swiggy has got a lot of deliveries. You check the data. They got a lot of deliveries happening. There's no problem. There are a number of people like all these chart items, etc. They all are getting delivered so well. The people who've been doing this kind of activity, they understood that people like my product, but then if at all they are unable to reach at my place, how am I going to serve them? They made the specialized packets. I don't want to name any of the brand as such, but you know, maybe people from Pune, Mumbai or any other place, even other place also, they must be knowing those kind of brands wherein the product is so well packed, and even it gets exported also, and even it is available so easily. You just come home and then get it mixed and it is completely ready. So they understood that. So why not you understood? Why not you started doing that kind of activity earlier? People into business like solar panel, etc. It's those things are going to take little time, but still it is not going to get stopped, because make people understand that if, say for example, you are in the business of solar, make a society understand that how much cost your society is going to save, and by saving that much of the cost, how much of the benefit you can pass on to your members. So members, whoever is n number of members are going to lose the job, there's going to be a problem in the earnings, so they will be very happy to pay the lesser amount of maintenance. So you need to convince them properly, you need to reach out to them properly. So the way, again and again I'm saying, it only and only depends on the way you approach, only and only you understand how I need to get the business out of it. Plan for 3 months, 9 months, 18 months, something like that. Your 3-month plan should be concrete. Do that plan. If it is not working, please change. Time is very crucial. You cannot have a lot of liberties, easiness, what you may enjoyed earlier. Now it is going to be like you're beginning of a new career kind of a phase in your own life. You may feel like, अरे वो time पे बहुत किया यार, अभी नहीं होता. I understand, because that once you reach at certain level, you won't be able to do that again. But still, it is very important that we again fight, because we are a fighter. We are an extremely strong fighter. So as I said, if you are that type of a person, you are going to be out of the competition. N number of people from the competition are going to be out. So take this positively. It is not that everyone, why you people joined here, because you are real fighters. You really want to see the change. You really want to understand, is there something what can be done. There are thousands of people who are just sitting thinking about it, what should be done, but you are trying to understand different ways and means. So that clarifies that you are definitely going to surpass this critical situation. Once you surpass, you will see that heaven. The people who have not done it, who are not going to do it, they will be out of the competition. So trust me, there is going to be a lot of highways for you, a bigger ways for you, a easy way for you going forward. Abhi thoda fight karo. Yeah. So thank you very much. Anyone has any question, because I'm not able to tell you anything on the newer things, because government is yet to announce. Very soon it is expected that government will announce certain good things for the small enterprises. Let's wait and hope it will be best for all of us. Thank you. So let's open for question answer. Anyone has any question, please